In order to apply the conditional format color scale feature, we're going to first click on the table, and then we're going to go to the drop-down under the Columns 2 area, and we're going to choose the conditional format style, whether we want to do the background color or the font color or the data bars. I'm going to choose background color, and the color scale simply shows this range, and if you want to put a 3-level range, you can choose the word diverging. Now, if you can change the colors of each one of these, so you can change the color scale of how you want it to gradient into it from lower to higher. If I say OK to that, it will actually show you that it actually color scales it according to the rules we applied. Now, if you want to go back and modify this information, you can come back in here and click on Conditional Formatting, choose your background color again, and then the other aspect is looking at the default formatting for 0 values. In order to do that, you aren't displaying the 0 values at this point. So we're going to have to be able to display the 0 values. And how we did that from the previous examples was that you click on the drop-down and you want to say, I do not want to summarize the data. So that will actually allow the null values to be displayed. In this case, we can actually go down to our conditional format now, and we can look at this default formatting now. So that says as 0. So it's going to format it as 0, as if it's 0, as you can see right there. But if I change it to don't format it at all, you can assume that it's going to turn white. If I click on the drop-down again and say I want to choose the background color, the other option is to say with a specific color. So that will allow you to say I want to change it to a specific color. I'll make it maybe I'll make it black or something like this. And so you can really see it. And so if I say OK to that, so there's a couple of options for the null values to actually make those visible to stand out a little bit better.